Why is automated lead nurturing important? As you guys know, if you get in contact with a hot lead within 5 minutes, they are 100 times more likely to convert. Yes, that is not an exaggeration. Go ahead and do your own research. If you contact them within 5 minutes, it makes that much of a difference. My name is Brady, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually lead nurture, initial reach out, as well as drip campaigns for months and months and months for my potential prospects within my business. I'm going to be covering why it's important and why you need to do it for your business. Like I said, I do this for businesses every single day, and it is extremely important. If you do not have any automated follow-ups, you are literally relying on you calling them and texting them whenever you feel like it or whenever you can get to the phone. We are busy, we have life things to do, so why not have automated messages actually make those stages easier as well as get them going faster? If they fill out your lead form at 10 p.m., you're not in the office. You still want to be reaching out to them and getting a booked meeting. You want them to book into your calendar or maybe even close the sale right there. And with AI and all these things going further, that is going to get easier and easier for you. So if you're not doing that yourself, you are literally wasting time and you're honestly wasting money because you could just have somebody do it for you and it's all in the back end. It's all automated. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, before you even do any automation, you need to have something that's actually generating leads. We are not going to be texting and emailing cold leads. For one, it's technically very unethical, and for two, you're not going to get the response rates you want. Instead, what you want to do is you want to make some kind of Facebook ad, whether that be a photo or a video, and you want to generate leads through that. That's what I do for my business. I make a video basically targeting my local area saying, hey, if you guys are interested in running your own ads and growing your business, you should reach out to me. So that's the trigger right here. You guys can see trigger. This means they actually filled out that Facebook form, and it's going to wait 3 minutes for me. I have it on a 3-minute timer. So no matter what time of the day, which actually for this I have it so if they do it outside of this time period, that it actually waits for 8 a.m. to hit, and then it goes ahead and automatically reaches out to them, which honestly I may turn that off because I still think having a 24/7 automation system is fantastic. You can see it runs 7 days a week. It just doesn't run 24 hours. It only runs 12, but it's actually going to go ahead and send a text message to them in an email within the first 3 minutes. This is why it's so important, guys, because these text messages are going to try to get people to book. I'm going to go ahead and check it and make sure that there's no information in here that I don't want to share on the internet right now, and yeah. There actually is, so let me fix that. Actually, I realized I can literally just block it and blur it out for you guys. But anyway, you can see that they're also using custom messages. Using custom variables is the most important part about your automated follow-ups because it makes it look not so automated. So when somebody fills out my lead form, I ask them a couple questions. I ask for their name. I ask, of course, for their contact information, email, phone number, but I also ask what business they're running and what business this is for, so I can do research in the back end to even make sure that they are qualified, as well as I ask what their goals are. Okay, why is that important? Because again, I can call all that stuff out in an automated text message. Let's give you an example. I can say, hey Leonard, our contact name is Leonard, and he runs Leonard's Landscaping. So I could say, hi Leonard, I saw you filled out my Facebook form, interested in growing Leonard's Landscaping. And then in that Facebook form, I'm going to ask him a couple questions. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to generate more leads, increase overall revenue, just film some content? For this case, he clicked on, he wants to generate more leads. So, hey Leonard, with Leonard Landscaping, I know that you are interested in actually generating more leads. When would be a good time to get on the phone? What's a good time to have a quick chat to discuss your goals? Okay, and I'm going to reach out to him on email as well, because sometimes people use a phone number that doesn't actually receive text messages. Not so much in 2025, but that is a possibility. So we want to outreach to him. And then you're going to see it's going to wait for a response. I'm going to wait 1 day for him to respond, and if he doesn't, I'm going to send him another text message. This is called a follow-up. Okay, if you're selling high-ticket items, you need more follow-ups. Okay, people aren't just willing to hand you thousands of dollars. I'm a 23-year-old. Business owners don't just trust to hand me a ton of money. It doesn't matter if I show them how great I am. Okay, people aren't super trustworthy nowadays because of scams and things like that. Okay, really easy to get scammed nowadays. So you need to continue to follow up as well as continue to build trust and authority with these potential leads. Okay. So you can see if they respond true, I'm going to send them a different email, different message, and if they don't, I'm going to continue to follow them up, and these are going to be custom messages. So that's one part of it. And that is honestly the most important part, because from here, you can easily just book them into your calendar, have a meeting over Zoom, or what I like to do is actually go in person. The more personable you can get, guys, the more you're going to trust you, the more you're going to have a potential to actually get these people as a client. As you know, It is all built into one system. And you can see here, guys, I actually have a bunch of different workflows. So let's go ahead and go into a different one. Let's go ahead and go into an after meeting nurturing. So what does this mean? This means basically we had a meeting, and let's say I didn't necessarily close them on the spot. As I've been raising my prices, I've been closing less and less on the spot, because again, business owners need to think about it. It's not a cheap chunk of change to actually have custom content creation, make your own Facebook ads, do all that great stuff. But again, that's fine by me, because I have nurturing systems in the back, and you can see how long this is. Okay, I'm waiting 5 days in between each of them, but I have over 10 emails here, guys, and I'm just emailing and dripping. So you can see right here, great to meet you, contact first name. Okay, and then you can see right here, it was great speaking to you about contact company name. Again, these are variables that are customized. No one person is going to get the same thing. I even have the contact custom message right here. The custom messages, like I said, can help you achieve getting more leads, increasing overall revenue, whatever that is for that client. That's what it's going to be. And as well as I have one call to action in here to basically get them to book a call with me. And I also have some stuff down there, which again, I am going to blur out my personal number, but either way, I'm that tight with my clients, okay? I'm texting them, I'm emailing them, and it is a great system. Again, this is all automated. Once it's on, it's on. You don't have to go in here and change all these custom things. You don't have to, okay? I'm building multiple drip campaigns in the back end for after meeting, before the meeting, even for clients that I just onboarded that actually gave me the money. They need more information on my products and services. I need them to have a better understanding of what I do. So what am I doing? I'm sending that information on a clock basis, okay? If I were to have somebody doing this not automated, I'd have to pay them $50,000, $60,000 a year, okay? They would have to be emailing for me every day. They'd have to be reaching out to leads every day, every hour, on the hour, okay? This eliminates that. It's a great, great system, okay? And you can do this for all different niches. Doesn't matter. Chiropractor, roofer, does not matter. Service-based business, does not matter. If you benefit from leads and lead nurturing, you can use this stuff, okay? It's great. And if you guys want to mess around with GoHighLevel yourself, I actually have a link in the description for a 14-day free trial. And if you do not like it, again, no contract, nothing, you lose $0, all right? You should go ahead and give it a shot. GoHighLevel can seem like a beast of an operation. It is a Swiss Army knife when it comes to a business. There's so much stuff you can do in it. Multi-platform posting, automation, again, lead nurturing, anything you really need to do for a business and sort within a CRM. This is your go-to software. I'm not going to lie. I use it for all my clients. I'm going to continue to use it, and I'm very proud to be an affiliate as of literally today. Now, if you use my affiliate link, I do get a little bit of commission from that, but it's not going to charge you more. If anything, you get a free trial if you sign up with my link. So I'm not getting paid to say that either. I'm just saying I fully use this software and believe in it, so I'm not afraid to push it, because I also know a lot of stuff on the back end of it. So if you do use that affiliate link, you can feel free to reach out to me, and I can give you private personal lessons on how this works. Genuinely, I will do that until I get too many affiliates where I can't handle it. I'm going to have a system where I can contact you guys and honestly help you with whatever you need. So it's a great software, though. I even have an automation for re-engaging cold leads, okay? So people who have been, ghosting me and I need to get in contact with them. Or for this also, too, I have some automated follow-ups for me, where actually if I have clients that are in these different stages, negotiation, follow-up, whatever they're in the pipeline stages, which I'm not, actually I can go ahead and show you guys, but I'm going to have to blur it out. Either way, if they're hot leads I need to follow up with and call, I actually get a notification sent to me. Follow up with contact company name. Here's their company name. Here's their phone. Here's their email. That gets texted directly to my cell phone number. So it makes it really, really nice when I have a new lead coming in through Facebook and I get a text that says, hey, you just got a new lead. And I know right away. I can actually pick up the phone and call them right away, because you know what's better than an automated follow-up? A call as soon as they fill out the lead form. That's the number one thing you should be doing. If somebody fills out your lead form, is interested, you shouldn't wait for the automation to do its thing. You should just pick up the phone and call. And the automation helps honestly text that and streamline it. So all I have to do is click in my phone, click into my messages, click the phone number, and I'm on. Hey, I saw your name's John, and guess what? You filled out with or Leonard, and you're with Leonard Landscaping, and you want to increase your more leads. What can I do for you? Bada boom, bada bing. It doesn't get easier than that. Again, here are those pipelines I was talking about. I'm not going to scroll over because, again, I don't even have more people in my qualified things. But you guys can see, actually, I will scroll over because I'm just going to blur the entire thing out. But you guys can see I have different people in nurturing. I have different people in waiting to close. And my Facebook ads have been extremely profitable, guys. I'm not going to lie. And I've honestly been enjoying doing what I do. And doing it for other businesses has been fantastic as well. So if you guys want more information, please go ahead. drop it in the comments below. Okay, reach out to me on all my social media. All my stuff is in the description. I'm going to be doing this full time. I'm going to continue to make content for it full time as well. I think this is a great opportunity because a lot of business owners are older people and they don't necessarily understand these systems. So I'm able to go in there and kind of show them how these systems work and why they need to be using it, because it's going to save them a ton of money and honestly make them a lot of money over time. So it's a very great service. I use it myself and I'm going to continue to do it. Yeah, so if you guys also need other information on how to actually get leads, there's tons of softwares out there. Obviously Facebook ads are the one that I recommend the most. You can use Google ads, you can use your landing page on your website, you can have it all funneled into here and have automation sent out through here. Again, HighLevel, it's a great software, in the description if you guys want to use any more. But with that being said, I'm Brady, owner of Social Web, and I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you later.